how to use template in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can use different template in CapCut. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. For using template, so firstly open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here you can see a template option. So when you will click on template options, so after this you can see different template. So you can select any template according to you. So for example, now I am selecting this template, so I will click on it. So after this, here you can see use template option, so click on use template, and after this I will select the photos. So after selecting the photos, so I will click on next. So here wait some second, so you can see now these photos are added. So guys, in this way you can see it's look like this. So similarly you can use another template on CapCut. So guys, in this way you can use another template on the CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.